Welcome to Space Quiz. Get ready to challenge your brain with 50 fun and tricky general knowledge questions, covering topics like history, science, geography, and more. Hit like to boost your memory and stay until the end for the surprise question. Comment your score and see if you can beat your friends. Ready? Let's begin. What is the main ingredient in traditional hummus? Chickpeas, lentils, or beans? Chickpeas. Did you know? Hummus is a Middle Eastern dip made from blended chickpeas, tahini, lemon, and garlic. What is the currency of Brazil? Peso, real, or dollar? Real. Did you know? The Brazilian real, BRL, was introduced in 1994 to combat inflation. What is the chemical symbol for potassium? Kp or Pa? K. Did you know? The symbol K comes from the Latin word kalium. What is the fastest bird in the world? Peregrine falcon, eagle, or hawk? Peregrine falcon. Did you know? The peregrine falcon can reach speeds of over 320 kilometers per hour in a dive. What is the name of the largest desert in the world? Sahara, Arctic, or Antarctic? Antarctic. Did you know? The Antarctic desert covers over 14 million square kilometers. Who is known as the father of modern physics? Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein, or Nikola Tesla? Albert Einstein. Did you know? Einstein's work on relativity changed our understanding of space and time. What is the longest railway in the world? Trans-Siberian Railway, Canadian Pacific Railway, or Orient Express? Trans-Siberian Railway. Did you know? The Trans-Siberian Railway stretches over 9,200 kilometers across Russia. What is the deepest lake in the world? Lake Baikal, Caspian Sea, or Great Lakes? Lake Baikal. Did you know? Lake Baikal in Russia is over 1,600 meters deep. What is the capital of France? Marseille, Lyon, or Paris? Paris. Did you know? Paris is known as the City of Light and is home to the Eiffel Tower. What is the boiling point of water in Fahrenheit? 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 212 degrees Fahrenheit, or 320 degrees Fahrenheit? 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Did you know? Water boils at 212 degrees Fahrenheit or 100 degrees Celsius at sea level. What is the largest moon in the solar system? Titan, Ganymede, or Europa? Ganymede. Did you know? Ganymede, a moon of Jupiter, is larger than Mercury. What is the name of the first artificial satellite launched into space? Sputnik 1, Apollo 11, or Voyager 1? Sputnik 1. Did you know? Sputnik 1 was launched by the Soviet Union in 1957. What is the capital of Argentina? Buenos Aires, Lima, or Santiago? Buenos Aires. Did you know? Buenos Aires is the largest city in Argentina and a major cultural center. What is the official language of Canada? English, French, or both? Both. Did you know? Canada has two official languages, English and French. What is the capital of South Korea? Busan, Seoul, or Tokyo? Seoul. Did you know? Seoul is a global technology hub and home to major companies like Samsung. Who discovered penicillin? Alexander Fleming, Louis Pasteur, or Marie Curie? Alexander Fleming. Did you know? Fleming discovered penicillin in 1928, revolutionizing medicine. What is the only continent with no permanent human population? Antarctica, Africa, or Australia? Antarctica. Did you know? Antarctica is used primarily for scientific research. What is the largest landlocked country in the world? Kazakhstan, Mongolia, or Switzerland? Kazakhstan. Did you know? Kazakhstan has no coastline and is the 9th largest country in the world. What is the most common gas in Earth's atmosphere? Oxygen, nitrogen, or carbon dioxide? Nitrogen. Did you know? Nitrogen makes up about 78% of Earth's atmosphere. What is the capital of Australia? Sydney, Canberra, or Melbourne? Canberra. Did you know? Canberra was chosen as a compromise between Sydney and Melbourne. Who wrote The Divine Comedy? Dante Alighieri, Geoffrey Chaucer, or William Shakespeare? Dante Alighieri. Did you know? The Divine Comedy is an epic poem about the afterlife. What is the name of the longest-running Broadway musical? The Phantom of the Opera, Les Miserables, or Cats? The Phantom of the Opera. Did you know? The Phantom of the Opera has been running since 1988. What is the capital of Sweden? Oslo, Helsinki, or Stockholm? Stockholm. Did you know? Stockholm is spread across 14 islands. What year did the Titanic sink? 1910, 1912, or 1915? (1912). Did you know? The Titanic sank on April 15, 1912, after hitting an iceberg. What is the capital of Norway? Copenhagen, Oslo, or Helsinki? Oslo. Did you know? Oslo was founded over 1,000 years ago. What is the coldest place on Earth? Siberia, Antarctica, or Greenland? Antarctica. Did you know? The lowest recorded temperature on Earth was -89.2 degrees Celsius in Antarctica. What is the chemical symbol for silver? AgC or O? Ag. Did you know? The symbol Ag comes from the Latin word argentum. What is the capital of Thailand? Bangkok, Manila, or Kuala Lumpur? Bangkok. Did you know? Bangkok's full ceremonial name is the longest city name in the world. What is the deepest ocean trench? Mariana Trench, Tonga Trench, or Java Trench? Mariana Trench. Did you know? The Mariana Trench reaches a depth of about 11,000 meters. What is the national animal of Scotland? Lion, unicorn, or wolf? Unicorn. Did you know? The unicorn was chosen as Scotland's national animal in the 15th century. What is the capital of Switzerland? Zurich, Geneva, or Bern? Bern. Did you know? Although Zurich is the largest city, Bern is the political capital of Switzerland. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Iron, diamond, or gold? Diamond. Did you know? Diamonds are made of carbon atoms arranged in a crystal structure. Who was the first female Prime Minister of the UK? Margaret Thatcher, Theresa May, or Angela Merkel? Margaret Thatcher. Did you know? Margaret Thatcher served as Prime Minister from 1979 to 1990. What is the capital of Greece? Athens, Thessaloniki, or Patras? Athens. Did you know? Athens is one of the oldest cities in the world. What does DNA stand for? Deoxyribonucleic acid, ribosomal acid, or nucleic protein? Deoxyribonucleic acid. Did you know? DNA carries genetic instructions for all living organisms. What is the largest reptile in the world? Komodo dragon, saltwater crocodile, or anaconda? Saltwater crocodile. Did you know? Saltwater crocodiles can grow up to 7 meters long. What is the capital of Cuba? Havana, Santiago, or Caracas? Havana. Did you know? Havana is famous for its colonial architecture and vibrant culture. What is the smallest unit of life? Atom, cell, or molecule? Cell. Did you know? Cells are the basic building blocks of all living organisms. What is the capital of Mexico? Guadalajara, Mexico City, or Monterrey? Mexico City. Did you know? Mexico City is one of the largest cities in the world. What is the largest island in the Mediterranean Sea? Sicily, Crete, or Cyprus? Sicily. Did you know? Sicily is an autonomous region of Italy. Who wrote Pride and Prejudice? Jane Austen, Charlotte Bronte, or Emily Dickinson? Jane Austen. Did you know? Pride and Prejudice was published in 1813. What is the currency of Russia? Ruble, yen, or euro? Ruble. Did you know? The Russian ruble has been in use since the 13th century. What is the largest lake in Africa? Lake Victoria, Lake Tanganyika, or Lake Malawi? Lake Victoria. Did you know? Lake Victoria is the second largest freshwater lake in the world. What is the name of the world's highest mountain? Kilimanjaro, Everest, or K2? Everest. Did you know? Mount Everest is 8,848 meters high. Who painted The Persistence of Memory? Salvador Dali, Pablo Picasso, or Vincent van Gogh? Salvador Dali. Did you know? The painting features melting clocks and represents the passage of time. What is the capital of Norway? Oslo, Stockholm, or Helsinki? Oslo. Did you know? Oslo was founded over 1,000 years ago. What is the main gas in the sun? Hydrogen, oxygen, or helium? Hydrogen. Did you know? The sun is mostly hydrogen, which undergoes nuclear fusion. What is the deepest lake in the world? Lake Baikal, Caspian Sea, or Great Lakes? Lake Baikal. Did you know? Lake Baikal in Russia is over 1,600 meters deep. What is the longest bone in the human body? Femur, tibia, or humerus? Femur. Did you know? The femur is both the longest and the strongest bone. What is the rarest blood type? A, AB-, or O-? Did you know? AB is the rarest blood type, found in less than 1% of people. Thank you, and see you next time.